Andhra Pradesh, a state on the southeastern coast of India, is a land of diverse landscapes and rich cultural heritage. From serene beaches to misty hills, ancient temples to bustling cities, Andhra Pradesh offers a sensory feast for every traveler. Join us as we embark on a journey to discover the best scenery this beautiful state has to offer. Andhra Pradesh is known for its vibrant culture, delicious cuisine, and warm hospitality. But beyond its cultural riches lies a world of natural wonders waiting to be explored. Whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or simply a change of scenery, Andhra Pradesh has something to offer everyone. In this essay, we'll take you on a virtual tour of some of the most scenic places in Andhra Pradesh. From the misty heights of Araku Valley to the serene shores of Visakhapatnam, we'll uncover the hidden gems of this beautiful state. So, pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to be mesmerized by the beauty of Andhra Pradesh. Our journey begins now. Nestled amidst the Eastern Ghats, Araku Valley is a picturesque hill station known for its coffee plantations, rolling hills, and cascading waterfalls. As you ascend into the valley, the air grows cooler, and a sense of tranquility washes over you. The valley is home to several indigenous tribes who have preserved their unique culture and traditions. Visit the Tribal Museum to learn about their way of life and admire their intricate handicrafts. One of the highlights of Araku Valley is the Bora Caves, a million-year-old natural wonder. Explore the stalactite and stalagmite formations, which resemble animals, gods, and goddesses. After a day of exploring, relax with a cup of freshly brewed Araku coffee, known for its rich aroma and distinct flavor. The cool mountain air, the lush greenery, and the warm hospitality of the locals make Araku Valley an ideal destination for a peaceful getaway. Visakhapatnam, also known as Vizag, is a coastal city that seamlessly blends history, culture, and natural beauty. With its pristine beaches, verdant hills, and ancient temples, Visakhapatnam is a feast for the senses. Stroll along the Ramakrishna beach, where the azure waters of the Bay of Bengal lap gently against the golden sands. Visit the Kailasagiri Hill Park, which offers panoramic views of the city and the coastline. Explore the Simhachalam Temple, dedicated to Lord Narasimha, an incarnation of Vishnu. Admire the intricate carvings and the serene ambience of this ancient temple. For a taste of local culture, visit the Visakha Museum, which houses a rich collection of artifacts and exhibits, showcasing the history and heritage of the region. Visakhapatnam is a city that has something to offer everyone. Perched atop the Tirumala Hills, Tirupati is one of the most important pilgrimage sites in India. Home to the renowned Sri Venkateswara Temple, Tirupati attracts millions of devotees each year. As you ascend the hills, you'll be greeted by breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The air is filled with a sense of spirituality and devotion. The Sri Venkateswara Temple, dedicated to Lord Venkateswara, an incarnation of Vishnu, is a marvel of Dravidian architecture. The temple's golden dome, intricate carvings, and vibrant rituals create an awe-inspiring atmosphere. After seeking blessings at the temple, take a dip in the sacred waters of the Papavinasam Tirtham, believed to cleanse one of all sins. Tirupati is a destination that nourishes both the body and the soul. Section 5. Lepakshi, Whispers of a Bygone Era. Step back in time at Lepakshi, a historical village renowned for its architectural marvels and intriguing legends. The Veerabhadra Temple, built in the 16th century, is the main attraction of Lepakshi. The temple is dedicated to Veerabhadra, a fierce form of Lord Shiva. Admire the intricate carvings, massive granite pillars, and the famous hanging pillar, which hangs from the ceiling without any visible support. Legend has it that the pillar is a testament to the architectural brilliance of the Vijayanagara Empire. Another highlight of Lepakshi is the monolithic Nandi, a giant statue of Shiva's sacred bull. The statue is one of the largest of its kind in India and is a testament to the artistic skills of the Vijayanagara sculptors. Lepakshi offers a glimpse into the rich history and architectural heritage of Andhra Pradesh. Section 6. Belem Caves, a subterranean marvel. Embark on an underground adventure at the Belem Caves, the second largest cave system in India. Located in the Kurnool district, the Belem Caves are a hidden gem waiting to be explored. Formed millions of years ago by the action of water on limestone, the caves are a labyrinth of passages, chambers, and freshwater galleries. Explore the cave's fascinating formations, including stalactites, stalagmites, flowstones, and siphons. The caves are also home to a variety of bats, making it an important ecological site. The Belem Caves offer a unique opportunity to witness the wonders of nature hidden beneath the surface. Section 7. Pulicat Lake, where the sky meets the water. Escape to the serene beauty of Pulicat Lake, the second largest brackish water lagoon in India. Located on the border of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, Pulicat Lake is a paradise for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. The lake is home to a wide variety of migratory birds, including flamingos, pelicans, herons, and egrets. Take a boat ride on the lake and witness the spectacle of these beautiful creatures in their natural habitat. The lake is also an important habitat for marine life, including prawns, crabs, and fish. Visit the Sriharikota Island, located in the lake, which is home to the Satish Dhawan Space Center, India's primary spaceport. Pulicat Lake offers a unique blend of natural beauty, biodiversity, and scientific significance. Section 8. Karinga Wildlife Sanctuary, a haven for mangroves. Discover the unique ecosystem of the Karinga Wildlife Sanctuary, a haven for mangroves and diverse wildlife. Located in the Godavari Delta, the sanctuary is one of the largest mangrove ecosystems in India. Take a boat ride through the intricate network of canals and creeks and witness the fascinating adaptation of mangroves to the saline environment. The sanctuary is home to a variety of animals, including fishing cats, otters, sea turtles, and over 120 species of birds. Spot crocodiles basking in the sun or dolphins leaping in the water. The Karinga Wildlife Sanctuary offers a glimpse into the delicate balance of nature and the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity. Section 9. Horsley Hills, Andhra's own hill station. Escape the heat and humidity of the plains at Horsley Hills, a picturesque hill station located in the Chittor district. Named after W.D. Horsley, a British collector, Horsley Hills offers breathtaking views, pleasant weather, and a serene ambience. Take a stroll through the eucalyptus forests, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and enjoy the panoramic views of the surrounding hills and valleys. Visit the environmental park, which houses a variety of medicinal plants and offers stunning views of the sunset. Indulge in adventure activities like trekking, rappelling, and zorbing. Horsley Hills is an ideal destination for a weekend getaway, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Section 10. Papikondalu, the Grand Canyon of Andhra Pradesh. Embark on a scenic cruise through the Papikondalu, a breathtaking gorge carved by the Godavari River. The name Papikondalu translates to hair parting of a woman in Telugu, referring to the narrowness of the gorge. As you sail through the gorge, be mesmerized by the towering hills, dense forests, and cascading waterfalls. Visit the ancient temple of Gandhi Poshama, located on the banks of the river. The temple is dedicated to the local deity, Gandhi Poshama, and is a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage. The Papikondalu cruise offers a unique perspective of Andhra Pradesh's natural beauty and cultural heritage. Section 11. Conclusion. Your journey awaits. Andhra Pradesh, with its diverse landscapes and rich cultural heritage, offers a tapestry of beauty waiting to be explored. From the misty hills of Araku Valley to the serene shores of Visakhapatnam, from the ancient temples of Tirupati to the subterranean wonders of Belem Caves, Andhra Pradesh has something to offer everyone. As you plan your next adventure, consider the hidden gems of this beautiful state. Explore the scenic landscapes, immerse yourself in the vibrant culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime. We've shared some of our favorite scenic spots in Andhra Pradesh, but we know there are many more hidden gems waiting to be discovered. What are your favorite scenic places in Andhra Pradesh? Share your recommendations in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels.